What's up, guys? Today we're going to do a token review, or at least a couple token reviews. We're going to do a review of Vertcoin, NAV coin, Kyber network, QTum, and Qash. So looking into them for the first time and seeing my first impressions and what I can find out about these tokens and if they're worth investing in. So we'll do that in just a second. Just before we go into anything, I want to show you what I bought here on Binance. You can get a Binance account through the links in the description down below, as well as some other services we use. But on Binance, I think there's a lot of good opportunities. Some tokens that are, hard to find anywhere else are on Binance. So Tron. I'll show you what I bought recently since having this Binance account for a couple weeks. I've bought some Tron, Cardano, Verge, Ether Party, Decentraland, Stellar Lumens, Simple Token, Gifto, Economy, VeChain, Wabi, Binance Token, Salt, Bancor, Waves, and I have a bit of Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash on here. So those are the tokens I see immediate need to just grab some of. That's my opinion. I do have some of these other tokens on other exchanges. We see Kyber network here that we're going to review today. QTum. Qash should be on here. Not sure about that one. And some of the other tokens that we're going to review should be on here. I don't want to spend too much time on this though. And one other thing I want to mention is if you go to our channel, we've reviewed now most of these top 100 coins on CoinMarketCap. So if you want to find out about a coin, see if we've done a video about it. We most likely have. And we're going to keep doing reviews. Today's review is going to take a couple more coins off that list. But yeah, most of these coins we've done reviews of now. NAV coin number 99. We're going to review. As well as Qash number 66, Vertcoin number 62, and then Kyber network is number 61. And I think QTum is actually up here. QTum is number 13. So those are the coins we're going to review today. We're having, we're in the dips for most tokens today. It being Christmas Eve, a lot of people probably cashed out to buy presents, that sort of thing. And also just cashing out their earnings for the year, taking some profits. So this is, not a huge deal as expected. What's surprising to me is the Bitcoin dominance has dropped far below that 50% mark. So what that means is people are interested in altcoins right now. There's lots of altcoins that are good opportunities and can allow you to profit more than people think Bitcoin will allow you to profit right now. The market cap also, we've lost around $100 billion out of all cryptocurrencies for people cashing out. So that's interesting as well. A couple other tokens that I I'm going to do reviews of, just not today. This Project X, I was looking into a little bit. How the hell was it worth $1 million? How? How is this coin worth $1 million? Look what it's worth, guys. This reminds me a little bit of Zcash. Was it Zcash? Yeah, Zcash. It was worth like 40 Bitcoin when it came out and dropped drastically. But could you imagine buying this coin when it was down here? Worth, I guess it was worth still 71,000. At its low, it was worth $33,000 US dollars, and now it's worth now it's worth almost $2 million. That's good gains. So just an honorable mention. And then I was looking at Cryptoping a little bit, just to find out it's not really, yeah, it's up today, whereas a lot of other coins are down. But these were in the biggest gainers, those two coins. Just thought I'd mention them. We might do reviews of them at a further date. Boom, 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 boom. Sorry, just bear with me. It's always when you need it the most. So NAV coin here, $2.25 basically, down around 10%, 11% today. Okay, and looking at the charts, it was just above $3 at its high. So I remember I had some, on Poloniex, through this period here when it was like not doing much, and I think I sold a bunch of them. A lot of coins were doing this at one point, either staying the same or going down, and this is a good lesson. I sold out a lot of them, but look what would have happened if I would have just hung on to them a little bit more. This is one of the biggest lessons I've learned in crypto, that you can't predict the timing. And, if it's a good coin, eventually it will be worth more. You just have to wait. So that's pretty good returns, though. 0.004 US dollars. That's less than, what is that? Less than a cent, half of a cent, all the way up to $3.20. Pretty good returns, and you could have bought a lot at that point. I think I still have a couple, but nothing substantial. But yeah, that's pretty good gains. Now let's look into their website and see what this coin is all about. It's one thing to go on exchanges and buy them. It's a whole different story to actually do research into the coins and buy based off of research, not just a coin that sounds good. So NAV coin, simplifying cryptocurrency. What is NAV coin? It's a decentralized cryptocurrency built on top of the latest version of Bitcoin Core. Wow. With added features and functionality. NAV coin was created to make online payments easy to do at low cost, and all the while making sure to protect your privacy. So there's lots of other You know, coins you can use for payments. You don't have to use Bitcoin. It's probably the worst coin to use for payments. Worst digital token, at least. On top of a solid foundation, NavCoin supports SegWit functionality and is easy to use wallets which are packed with advanced privacy features. So a privacy coin, it seems, as well as a payment coin. Using NAV technology, you get the option to choose private transactions that protect your data and identity while making purchases online. This is very valuable right now. People need, since Bitcoin's no longer good for private transactions, anonymous transactions, there's a demand for other coins that allow for you to do this. And it seems like it has faster transaction times. You can earn while you sleep. Optional private payments. So it's a 5% proof of stake, which is, you know, pretty low. I think that'll be per year. I would assume most percentages for proof of stake are based in per year. So and it's 30-second payments. They have a dual blockchain, which allows encrypted private transactions. It's easy to use, which should be good for beginners, people just getting into cryptocurrency. They need stuff that's easy to use. That's why a lot of people don't mind cryptocurrencies. It's just not user-friendly enough. It's not easy enough. NavTech Wallet. Combining NavCoin, the subchain, and NavTech into a single wallet, our network becomes a fully decentralized mesh network. DApps, so anonymous decentralized applications. We are researching the best way to build an anonymous decentralized application platform. Well, they're researching the best way. It's a start. NavTech Polymorph, partnering with Instant Exchange Changely to provide anonymous payments and switch between any of their 25 plus listed cryptocurrencies. If you didn't know, Changely is an exchange where you don't have to upload any ID, have an account. I don't think. You just make anonymous trades between cryptocurrencies. CryptoCoins News, CoinDesk, and Bitcoin.com wrote articles about it. They were probably press releases. NavCoin team. Okay. Look like a bunch of regular type people for their team, which is not necessarily bad. Legacy team, but it should really have pictures for these people. I guess they don't want to have their picture on the website. And this guy doesn't even want his name. And this is normal with cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin kind of set the stage for that. If it's, you know, the project and the technology you're investing in, the team shouldn't matter too much. You know, you should know who's running the project, but you know, people that are being hired underneath them, not so important. Here's their project roadmap. Cryptocurrencies are complicated, and it's our mission to change that. The NavCoin wallets are easy to use and have great built-in privacy features. So, NavTech combined wallet, NavCoin. this is their points in their roadmap, I guess. It's not a very, it's not really a roadmap, more like upcoming projects and completed projects. So what's upcoming? There's lots of stuff that's happened, for sure. They've been doing a lot of work. They have a faucet. Currently in progress, marketing roadmap. So they're building their proper roadmap. NavTech Polymorph, community fund, a couple other things. And they showed their progress. But upcoming key projects: NavCoin and NavTech combined wallet, NavTech 2.0, cold staking implementation, Nav chain research and development. So they're still doing work. Remember when I showed you that point where it was down for a while? Probably wasn't much going on there for project releases and things like that. But then they started releasing things, had more buzz, more people talking about them, and then we just have more people coming into cryptocurrencies in general, putting the prices of these coins up over time. It almost correlates with, we showed yesterday, the Google search terms for cryptocurrencies, and this almost correlates with that. March, we had a huge spike, and then just recently here, November and December, we had a huge spike in activity and interest in cryptocurrencies. So that's all. They have NavPay here. NavPay wallet. Secure your NavCoin with easy-to-use light wallet that allows you to take ownership of your private keys and send and receive payments. So it seems like a pretty user-friendly wallet and payment method. Multi-signature wallet. Save your friends. This is what I was looking for. So it makes it easy for people to send money. You don't have to type in their wallet address every time. So this looks like a pretty good project. That's all I'm going to talk about for NavCoin. Now we have Vertcoin, which is a little bit more expensive, $7. But, it was very cheap at 1.2. Its high being almost $10. So max supply, 84 million, which is pretty good. We're seeing a lot of coins, release into the billions. So that means that this coin could go up even higher. It's not a low valued coin because there's very little of them. Each coin is worth more. They have an okay market cap, but not a lot of people are into this yet. So we see, these spikes in volume over here, but I definitely think it could grow. It has room to grow. Vertcoin. Let's see what it does. Get out of here, Google Analytics. Okay, Vertcoin is a decentralized currency owned by its users, the people's coin. Vertcoin is a digital currency that can be sent between people over the internet. Vertcoin stays true to the original vision of cryptocurrency, a financial system owned by its users, the people's coin. Vertcoin is not controlled by large banks or mining hardware manufacturers and can be mined by anyone profitably. Fairly distributed without a pre-mine, ICO, or airdrop. Wow, they had no pre-mine, ICO, or airdrop. Vertcoin is developed by community members working as volunteers, and the project is wholly funded by donations. A finite resource similar to gold. Yes, remember I was saying it's very limited, the amount of coins. You can rest assured that Vertcoin will keep your money safe from vested interests and ensure that transaction fees are proportionate and shared between a large number of miners. With Vertcoin, you can truly be your own bank. It's designed to resist centralization. These are the specs, the algorithm that you run for mining, how many coins, 84 million, block time, 2.5 minutes, block rewards, 25 coins per block. It halves every 84, I think that would be 840,000 blocks every 4 years. Difficulty retargets every block, so difficulty adjustment every block, and 0 pre-mined coins. It's very interesting. So they're really not trying to do this for money, because if they were, they would have pre-mined coins to fund the project and to give them some profits. But it seems more like really what they said, the people's coin, not owned by any central authority. So kudos for that. These are the top features: decentralized mining, and we're going to talk more about mining in the future. I'm going to start mining myself. Man, if I was looking into mining Bitcoin years ago, and people said it was not, the money that you made off of it was like nothing. It wasn't worth doing. And you only do it if you're basically a nerd or obsessed with, technology. And I should have never listened to people, because now those Bitcoins I mined would be worth a lot. I'd have over 100 Bitcoins I could have mined probably, and that'd be worth over $1 million. So So yeah, so you can mine these coins. Just because it's not very profitable right now doesn't mean that the token won't go up in value, and then those coins that were worth nothing that you mined might be worth a decent chunk one day. So they have decentralized mining, segregated witness, one-click Vertcoin miner. Wow, so it's easy to mine, it seems. Lightning network, alpha, stealth addresses in development, web wallet, mobile friendly, active developers and team, atomic cross chain, lightning network development. So there's a reason this Vertcoin has got pumped recently, I guess. So, this would be their frequently asked questions. No, it's overview of the basics of wallet, send and receive Vertcoins, mining Vertcoins, buying and trading Vertcoins. The ticker being VTC. Join their community and plans for 2017. Now they're going to have to update that for 2018. So let's just look at this real quick. Proof of work. They have a guide. Why mine Vertcoin? The Vertcoin developers have pledged to take whatever steps are necessary to protect this coin from specialized mining equipment and make sure that it will always be possible to mine with consumer-grade hardware. This is great news for miners because it offers the opportunity for all miners to compete fairly with each other, unlike Bitcoin, and not have to risk falling victim to unscrupulous hardware, unscrupulous hardware manufacturers who may fail to deliver pre-ordered equipment, for sure. That's Vertcoin. Now let's just look at Kyber network really quickly just to see what it is. I've been curious about this for a couple weeks. I've been hearing it, seeing the name, so a lot of volume, so it seems like the token might be used for something other than trading. It's just, a lot of volume throughout the whole thing, throughout the whole chart. So token supply 215 million. So compare that to the 84 million, I think, in the previous coin. Sorry, I'm trying to do this quick, so I haven't been looking at the markets. But here we have Kyber on Binance and a bunch of other ones. KuCoin I have as well. Cryptopia. Ether Delta just got hacked. People are saying don't use Ether Delta. People have lost a lot of money out of their wallets in Ether Delta. Kyber Network. This is a Chinese Asian coin. And it's Kyber Network Crystals, I think, the token. Kyber Network is a new system which allows the exchange and conversion of digital assets. We provide rich payments, APIs, and new contract wallet that allow anyone to seamlessly receive payments from any token. Users can also mitigate the risks and price fluctuations in the cryptocurrency world with our derivative trading. Sounds pretty cool. What can you do with trustless, instant, liquid, compatible? Why Kyber Network? What can you do with us? Convert and exchange token, pay anyone with your own token, hedge against price fluctuation, receive payment from Bitcoin and others in Ether. Their white papers are here, but let's just watch the video.
Bob learned about DigixDAO at a conference and is impressed by the organization's vision, and he wishes to be part of the network by buying some DGD tokens. One of Bob's options today is through centralized exchanges, but they require standard registration and verification of personal identity. These processes take time. Then Bob is required to deposit his Ether to the exchange and wait some time before the transaction can occur. And on top of that, exchanges are subject to being hacked, putting the funds at risk. Bob also considered trustless exchanges, but these trustless exchanges typically have low liquidity, and that means it would take longer for Bob to purchase or sell crypto assets. Still looking for an exchange that could satisfy your criteria, Bob? Why not try Kyber Network?
That's all I'll show for now. You can look into it more yourself if you're interested. So they launched on testnet there. First mainnet launch support trading between tokens and ETH. It's weird how they're sold on exchanges when they haven't even launched their real mainnet token, but I guess there's ways to do that. Support trading arbitrary token pairs. Support trading advanced financial instruments. Support cross-chain trading. And you can look at their team real quick. Like I said, it's an Asian token. Vitalik is an advisor. Vitalik from Ethereum. And then they have a FAQ, frequently asked questions. And some blog posts. So that's Kyber Network for the most part. I do want to save some time for our last two tokens, Qash and QTum, because I think they're the most, maybe the most promising of these tokens. Definitely some of the more hyped up tokens right now. So Qash, total supply is 1 billion. So, but if they are going to use it for payments, they'd need either a lot of coins or a lot of decimal places. like Bitcoin. And there hasn't been a lot of pumps and dumps with this one. It's pretty stable. It looks not as volatile. You can get cash on these exchanges. Bitfinex is one of the main ones, unless you're on some of these other exchanges. And so their market cap is, again, not the greatest, but okay. A couple hundred billion, or a couple $100 million US dollars this coin is valued at. See, QTum is valued at $3 billion US dollars. So Qash is, still has a long way to go, which means that the price could go up a lot. I definitely bought a lot of Qash on Bitfinex. I bought, not a lot, but I bought a couple hundred Qash. Let's go to their website. Also, you can follow their social media if you're interested in following their updates, or if you invest in the token, then it's worth following their social media. Liquid by Coin. Coin. Okay, I get it. Qash and coin. Ha ha ha. Very funny. Very creative. So, providing liquidity to the non-liquid crypto economy. Trade Bitcoin, ETH, or Qash on CoinEx or cryptos. Wow. See, I was talking about this the other day, how all these names are taken. It doesn't mean you can't still use the name. You just got to change the letters a bit. But it allows for more creativity in the names that we choose. Being cryptos with a Q, coin with a Q, and cash with a Q. So one cash is equal to 0.001 Ether. This was the ICO token sale. That was a pretty good deal, to be honest. So providing liquidity to a non-liquid market, the lifeblood of every industry, is the single most important element lacking in the crypto economy today. The only available resources of liquidity are siloed across developed markets that have standalone exchanges operating in closed pools of liquidity, which are not available to non-residents, emerging markets which are underserved with illiquid local currencies that must interact with bigger liquidity pools to utilize crypto tokens in their home currencies. Liquidity basically means, using your value. So say you have a bunch of tokens on an exchange. If they're tied up, they're not very liquid. If you can't take money out to invest in something else, it's not very liquid. So they're providing more liquidity, basically giving you the ability to use your investments. Coin, merchandise, and a Ledger Nano. So they're giving away for Christmas. You have to trade on CoinEx or cryptos to win an iPhone X, coin, merchandise, and a Ledger Nano. So I'm just going to maybe play one of these videos.
When Bitcoin first appeared in 2009, Only a few visionaries understood a disruptive shockwave was about to hit the financial industry. In just 8 years, Bitcoin's value has gone from 0 to 70 billion, and the market cap of all crypto tokens combined is now over 140 billion. Thousands of individuals, businesses, and even industries have emerged, building their entire foundations on these decentralized crypto ecosystems. However, one fundamental element has been overlooked. That is liquidity. A company can have the largest asset base and the best run business, but if it runs out of liquidity, it is in trouble. Welcome to Liquid, a platform built to provide liquidity to the non-liquid crypto economy. Liquid is built by Coin, a successful and profitable company with an impeccable reputation and financial industry pedigree. Our trading platforms and exchanges are the most advanced in the world, with annual transactions over USD 12 billion. The Liquid platform is comprised of 2 core pillars. WorldBook offers a multi-market order book that aggregates the world's various liquidity sources into a single highly liquid tradable order book and supports trading in the quote currency of one's choice. It is built on top of Coin's existing matching engine, smart order routing, and cross-currency conversion engine technologies. Prime Brokerage offers direct market access, DMA, fiat management, crypto fiat credit facility, and trading tools which facilitates liquidity. Qash is the token that powers all services provided by Liquid and is poised to become the preferred token across upcoming and existing financial services as they migrate to decentralized platforms. The crypto economy is the way to economic freedom, and Liquid Cash is your ticket. Register today to cash in.
So pretty interesting. They're going to have these exchanges. I think they already do have these exchanges open, Cryptos and CoinEx. But that's all we're probably going to... We'll look at a couple more important things here for you. The Valley of Death. 90% of companies fail here. And they've already, I think they've already, got through the Valley of Death, so this is a good sign, for an investment. You pay with cash for all coin services, so fees on the exchanges, things like that. I'm sure use cash as a payment token for other financial services or trade cash on all major exchanges. Their token allocation and then their roadmap here, they started in 2014, which is pretty respectable. Coin launched CoinEx, then offered margin trading, mobile app, moved headquarters to Japan, new high performance data infrastructure. And then, oh yeah, we're over here. Global smart order routing and cross-currency matching engine. Then they launched Cryptos. CoinEx Japan registered with the Japan FSA license number 00002. CoinCash token sale. Wow, 2017 in the 4th quarter. So it was just done recently. Support for tokens and self-service tokens listing on Cryptos. Launched Coin Liquid Direct Market Access Beta. Launched Coin Liquid Worldbook Beta. Official Coin Liquid launch. Digital market access, direct market access, prime brokerage offering. Expand service to asset management and investment banking. Launch Cash blockchain. In 2019, and then full banking license in 2019 as well. So they have a roadmap that's going, way into the future, which is good to see if you're going to invest long term. And the company that created this is already successful. They've been around since 2014. you know, the team. Just real briefly, because we're going to move to the next coin now, being QTum. So like we said, they have, you know, a bigger market cap of in the billions, but their token supply is 100 million. So not bad, because some are in the millions, the billions. Wow, $60, what do we have here? $62. Actually, it's more than that. It was about $70. Yeah, $70 at one point. And the volume's just starting to get big. It was you could have bought it for $11 a couple days or weeks ago, and then it went to $70. Pretty good. I honestly held a few. I bought them at 12, 11, 12. I think I even bought them at $10 right here. And then, but I only had like a couple of them, very little QTum. I wasn't too sure about this project, didn't know much about it. Now I do, so if it goes down, I'll buy some more. I think if it goes down below 50 in the 40s, I'll buy some more. I'll put some stop orders in there. This is Bitconnect that I bought QTum on. Bitconnect, but it's also on Binance, Bittrex. A QTum-based decentralized app for video sharing. Pretty cool. China's influencer marketing platform. Just trying to see if we can get any hints from their social media. QTum, you'd think, you know, looking at it, it has something to do with quantum computers or something. But we'll find out now. By the way, Qash, what we just talked about, is less than $1, so buy up some of that while you can. Out of all these tokens, the one that I'd say you should buy up is Qash. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not trying to be one. I'm just telling you what I would do. The blockchain made ready for business. I like their font. Look at that. It looks like a quantum computer. It's a very simple, simplistic website, but also, you know, not in a bad way. Their node map. So I guess you could get a master node of QTum. dApps. So I think maybe you can create decentralized applications on top of QTum. This is their nodes right here, so pretty cool. Where am I? Where are you is the question. I am around here somewhere, around the Great Lakes. There's a lot in the States, a lot over here in Germany as well, and Korea, China. Wow. Republic of Korea gets #1 rank. United States, China, Canada. Canada's there. This is where I am. So, let's try to find out some more. The blockchain community and business world have been running alongside each other in parallel, and I think QTum is where they meet. all in all, I believe them to be the best team out of China and Asia. QTum is definitely one of the projects everyone should be keeping their eye on. These are some quotes, user reviews. That's Roger Ver, and some other people that I don't know of. Build decentralized applications you can trust. Combining a modified Bitcoin core infrastructure with the intercompatible version of the Ethereum virtual machine, QTum merges the reliability of Bitcoin's unfailing blockchain with the endless possibilities provided by smart contracts. Designed with stability, modularity, and interoperability in mind, QTum is the foremost toolkit for building trusted decentralized applications. So that's what they are. Suited for real-world business-oriented use cases. Its hybrid nature in combination with the first-of-its-kind proof-of-stake consensual protocol allow QTum applications to be compatible with major blockchain ecosystems while providing native support for mobile devices and Internet of Technology applications. Now let's do them the justice of watching the video that they probably work very hard on.
Revolutions come from combining what exists into what has never existed before. Blockchain technology offers developers tools to build apps and solutions to the problems facing enterprise around the globe. Past protocols had their limitations, scalability bottlenecks, and systems that rely heavily on servers, and others with limited programming functionality. We've combined the most developed and trusted blockchains to create QTum, the next-generation blockchain application platform. The decentralized governance protocol of QTum's blockchain gives the community freedom to grow and prosper, and allowed the power of blockchain to be put right in the palm of your hand on mobile devices. QTum is designed to be modular, decentralized, and mobile blockchain. QTum provides a Turing-complete blockchain stack and mobile-friendly wallets for IoT applications, designed to bridge the gap between blockchains and the business world. A practical business workflow that communicates with trusted data feeds and oracles. Be part of an open-source project where anyone can contribute and participate. Be on a system that allows backwards compatibility for virtual machines to keep your application running forever, and one that supports current and future UTXO-based improvements like SegWit, allowing smart contracts and decentralized applications to run on a familiar foundation, giving you the opportunity to build unstoppable mobile applications. Learn more at QTum.org.
Alright guys, so that's about it. If you liked these reviews, please like this video, share it, hit that bell down below, follow our social media, and maybe check out our channel for some other reviews of tokens that you're interested in. Because we work hard on these videos. We've been doing them for a while now, and we could use more views because there's lots of good information in them. So we'll see you guys next time. Have a great day, night. Have a good holidays. Merry Christmas.